My people, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. My name is still remains Chidera. Chidera. I did live for Aba International Market. Ariria to be precise. So they see the kind situation where they for Aba, how they take the happen for Aba today. This is Airline International Market Aba. You can see how everywhere is noted. You can see, please, if you are coming, be sharing the program as I'm showing you how it happened for about today. So you can see everywhere water. You can see this is international market and this is Airline International Market. You can see how everywhere is. You can see. You can see how everywhere is. This is international market. Aba. Airline. You can see how dirty. You can see how dirty. International market, the so-called international market is a so-called international market. Aba is. You can see fraud and water everywhere. You can see. Just be sharing. If you are coming, be sharing the program. That is. You can see how everywhere is. Today is the 12th day of November, 2021. So you can see how everywhere is. This is international market, but you cannot be proud of good road. No, nothing in Aba, nothing. This is. You can see how Aba is today. You can see this is people's shop. Everywhere is messed up. You can see how everywhere is in Aba. You can see this is Airline International Market Aba. Once again, you can see everywhere is messed up in Aba. Bad roads. You cannot be proud of road in Aba. Even the second largest market in Aba is even better than this so-called international market Aba. Everywhere is messed up. Everywhere people are suffering. Upon suffering, they are tasking people up and down. That is the current situation in Aba. For today, you can see. Just take a look at this barrow man. You can just see. That is why we are fighting to get our freedom, so that all this suffering and this thing will stop in our land. You can see. If the governor wants to come here now, just tell me how it will come. You can see everywhere is messed up in Aba. Everywhere. Just be sharing the program. Just be share to your group, share to your neighbor. Let him or her know how Aba is. You can see. Just be watching You can see everywhere is messed up. Everywhere in Aba. Everywhere in Aba. There's no good road in Aba. You cannot be proud of one good road in Aba. Current. You cannot be proud of even one good road. One. That is how our governors and our senators have messed everyone up in this Aba. You can see it everywhere. That is why we are fighting to get Biafra today and tomorrow, so that all this thing, all this suffering will stop in our land. All this suffering will stop in our land. Just tell me how the person that will come to buy market, the road that him or her will follow and enter to come and buy markets. There's no road to come and buy markets. There's no road. You can see. Upon that, they are tasking people up and down every blessed day. You can see, once again, my name is Chidera. I'm reporting the current situation in Aba today, being the 12th day of November 2021. How will it take the happen for Aba? Airline, international market, about to be precise. You can see. Just be share. Just be sharing the program. Everywhere is messed up. So I thank you people. I just let me show you people how it happened for Aba international market, Aba airline to be precise, today being the 12th day of November 2021. I say all of you to remain blessed as I come back your way again. And I thank you once again. Good afternoon to everyone.
We bring to you exclusive world politics, culture and tradition around the world, businesses, sports, African news, entertainment, and lots more. Visit Obinwannem.com.